Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the professional mode on Facebook. So for that you need to open up your Facebook account, and after that click on your profile, and here you will find this option of help and support. Just click on it. After that click on this option of report a problem, then click on this option of something went wrong, then click on include in report. After that click on this option of choose an area and then select profile over here. After that type the message like I'm facing an issue with professional mode and please help me fix this issue. Then you can type thanking you and then put your name over here. You can also add your profile's link over in this message, and you can add the screenshot where you are getting this issue, like you are not able to see the professional mode option, so you can add that a screenshot over here. After that just click on submit, and then Facebook team will contact you and will be able to help you fix this issue. There are other ways to fix this issue, like you can update the Facebook app, and you can also go to the app settings and clear the data of Facebook on your mobile device, and this way you would be able to solve this issue. And this is how you fix the issue of professional mode on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.